This video looks at converting rates using the same method as I used for converting units. So if you haven't looked at that video, you might want to watch it first. And the method we're going to use is we're going to times by what we want over what we don't want, or what you want over what you don't want. So we're going to start, we've got 110 kilometres an hour to metres per second. So our kilometres have to go to metres. So I'm going to write that conversion down first, and that's that 1 kilometre equals 1,000 metres, and we need from hours to seconds. So we know that 1 hour equals 60 minutes, and that 1 minute equals 60 seconds. So that's what we're using. So I write it out as being 110 kilometres over 1 hour. Okay, if you write it like that, then you can use the method for converting units, because we times, well, that would then equal the 110 kilometres we multiply by what we want. We want it in metres, so using this conversion here, it's going to be times by what we want, so the 1,000 metres over what we don't want, which is the 1 kilometre. And then on the bottom, our 1 hour, we're going to multiply by what we want. Now, first of all, we have to go to minutes, so that'll be 60 minutes over 1 hour, and then we go to the seconds, so 60 seconds over 1 minute. Okay, so the first conversion gives us this here. The 1 hour to 60 minutes is used here, and then the 1 minute is 60 seconds is here. So we're always multiplying by what we want over what we don't want. And you can see the kilometre will cancel with that kilometre to leave the metres. That hour cancels with that hour. That minute cancels with that minute. So that leaves us with the seconds on the bottom. Now I would do this all in one step. So at the top we have 110 times by 1,000. Then press enter on your calculator and you get 110,000. But we're going to keep going. We're going to divide by, we're going to put in a bracket because we're going to divide by everything that's on the bottom. And what we have on the bottom is 1 times 60 times 60. Close my bracket. And that gives me approximately 30.56 metres per second, because it's the 5 recurring. Now that kind of conversion is used a lot in physics because we use metres per second in physics. So again, you could do the top and do the bottom separately, but you're going to end up approximating twice. So that's why I do it all in one go. Now in the next one, 600 grams per metre cubed to kilograms per metre cubed. So firstly, I know that 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams, and 1 metre cubed is 1 million centimetres cubed. Now the reason for that is that 1 metre is 100 centimetres. So 1 metre cubed is actually 100 times 100 times 100 centimetres cubed. So that's why it's the 1 million. Don't forget it's cubic units. So we're starting with 600 grams over 1 centimetre cubed. So that's going to be 600 grams multiplied by what we want. We want the kilograms over 1,000 grams, what we don't want. So I've used this information here to do the what I want over what I don't want. And that gram cancels with that gram to leave the kilograms. On the bottom, I have 1 centimetre cubed, and I multiply by what I want, which is the 1 metre cubed, all over 1 million centimetres cubed. So this fraction here, the what I want over what I don't want, is from this information here, which is just from the conversion table. And the centimetre cube cancels with the centimetre cube to give you that metres cubed. Now the calculator step is important and people really struggle here. So I've got, using the top part here, I've got 600 times 1 all over 1,000. So that's 600 divided by 1,000 equals, divided by bracket, because I want to divide by everything that's on the bottom. At the top I have 1 times 1, so that's just 1, and it's divided by 1 million. Make sure you enter the right number of zeros and then close your brackets. Then press enter and you should have 600,000 kilograms per meter cubed. And if you're thinking, oh, what are the units that I had? Just look. You had kilograms left here, meters cubed left there.